Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a gas and generally harmless to humans in small amounts, but can be harmful in high concentrations, leading to respiratory issues. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Car, bun, di, oxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a composition of individual words, carbon, referring to the element carbon, and dioxide, indicating two oxygen atoms. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about carbon dioxide, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.